Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today, as promised earlier, I will tell you how very quickly switch to the light mode version of the dashboard and also make a mobile version. Since first of all, convenience and speed of development are one of the main advantages of our visuals. Now we will slowly do all the work in just a few minutes. Okay, let's go. Oh, by the way, if you haven't seen how we created a sales dashboard in the dark version, you can watch it on our channel. I'm switching to the mobile version of the layout. All of our created visuals are on the right, and I just drag them onto the canvas. First, of course, we'll go with the title, and then 4 simple cards. All I need to do is align them in position and symmetrically. It's very easy. I don't need to regroup them somehow, because each card is one visual and not a group of individual elements, as is often done when developing dashboards on standard visuals. Okay, then I drag the column chart with sales dynamics. It is also very easy and convenient. It may make sense to remove the y-axis at your discretion. This option will be active only for mobile layout, as can be seen on the icon. Great, then we'll add a table under the chart. Let's increase the height so that the vertical scroll is not visible. As we can see, horizontal scrolling and pagination work as they should. The table organically fits onto the canvas, despite its width, which is much greater than the width of the canvas. And on top of the table, we will place our search box. Everything is easy here. Okay, we only have a donut chart and 2 lists left on table visuals. Let's place the donut chart first and select an acceptable height so that everything fits. In fact, everything fits perfectly, but I think it might be worth disabling the legend on mobile layout. Let's try. In this case, we can find out the names of the segments by tapping on them on the mobile device. Or you can place a table here instead of a donut chart if you need more accurate numbers. So finally, I place the 2 remaining lists, one below the other. All I need is to choose the height so that there is no vertical scrolling. Well, everything looks almost perfect. Perhaps it makes sense to move all the visuals a little lower so that they do not stick close to the top of the screen. Okay, perfect. Let's move on. The next thing we have to do is create a light mode version of the dashboard. To do this, we return to the desktop layout and duplicate our page with the dashboard. First, let's change the color of the page's wallpaper to light but not white. Let it be a slightly gray color, for example F8 FAFC. Next, I simply disable dark mode in each of the visuals sequentially, in the column chart, all tables, and the donut chart. Great, now I will remove the shape that we placed under the column chart and simple cards. I will adjust the width of the column chart in accordance with the free space that appears. And for the simple cards, I'll change the theme from colored to light and dark and turn off dark mode for all cards. Also, I'll align them horizontally. To do this, I'll select all the cards and go to Format, Align, and Distribute horizontally. I see that the colors of some icons don't quite match the light background. It would be better to change them. Great, all we have left is the header. It is implemented using the big card visual, in which we can play with the background using the options Transparent, Solid Color, and Gradient. I'll try to make a light gradient. Looks good, but I also want to try just a solid white background with shadow turned on. Everything is fine. I'll just double check all the visuals. Maybe something needs to be fixed. And let's move on to the mobile version of the light theme. Here, almost everything is ready automatically. All I have to do is correct the position of the elements. I'll select everything except the header and move it a little lower. That's how quickly and easily we were able to create a light theme for our dashboard, as well as a mobile version. All this is achieved thanks to custom visuals developed specifically for these tasks. You can see more examples in our free Mercury dashboard bundle, in which you will find 20 dashboards with all custom visuals and examples of power styles. And also go to the documentation, where you will find all the parameters and options. All links are in the first pinned comment. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll be glad to see you on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe.